Welcome to this lesson on reviewing student responses in an interactive lesson in Microsoft Forms. An interactive lesson like this one is a formative assessment, and no grade should be entered into the gradebook for students who perform poorly. However, you do want to know how well your students performed and who needs further support. In this lesson, you will learn how to review the results of student work. To begin, click on the Responses tab. There are two views of student responses. The first view is called Review Answers, and it shows an overview of how well the class as a whole performed. Here's an example of what that will look like. As you can see, the results for each question are graphically represented. To see the second view of student responses, click on the Post Scores button. Here you will see the names and scores of all the students in your class. Notice all the anonymous responses. Those participants listed as anonymous shows you what happens when you select anyone can respond instead of only people in my organization can respond. In order to drill down further to see exactly what each student did on the lesson, click on the Preview link. Notice in the upper right-hand corner, you can see the number of points that a student scored. As you continue to scroll down, you can see exactly how a specific student answered each question, and you can determine how to personalize instruction for each student. To return to the first view, click on the Back button. Now click on the Back button once again, and then click on the Questions tab to return to the main form. This completes this final tutorial on creating an interactive lesson using Microsoft Forms. Now it is time for you to create a form for your students on a concept with which they may struggle.